HBO, the #1 choice on pay TV, with the most top movies, best awards, and reviews by far. HBO, the best watched cable network, has just got better. HBO now plays its programs on 3 channels. That means you have a choice of 3 different HBO programs every time you tune in. 3 channels of HBO, there's up to 50 more movies and programs during prime time each month. On HBO 2 and 3, there's more opportunities to see live big events the same day or the next day. Program series like HBO's Dream On and Larry Sanders Show are available at different times and on different days. HBO, HBO 2, and HBO 3 are scheduled to provide the most variety of programming at any one time. Thrillers, dramas, comedies, and sports all on at the same time. So whenever you tune in, you always have a definite choice. HBO Multiplex.
Call 327-9671 today.